All right, now that we've learned how to customize the quick access toolbar, we're going to go over how we can actually customize the Excel ribbon, meaning that we can add groups, commands, and tabs on the Excel ribbon. What we want to do is go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and here's where we can add new groups and new tabs to the ribbon. So first off, we're just going to add a new group to the Home tab. So if we click Home right here and click New Group, and we can rename the group by clicking Rename, and we'll just call it Test Group. And click OK. Now you can see that we have a test group here in our Home tab. As of right now, we don't have any commands in this group. If you want to see the commands, for example, if I click Font, this plus button, these are all the commands within that group. So now let's add a command to our new group. I'm going to come over here under Popular Commands and maybe add an email to our new group. So I'm going to click Email and click Add. So now you can see that the email command is underneath our test group. I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. And if you notice, if we go to our Excel ribbon, all the way to the right underneath our Home tab, we have the test group, which is the name, and then the email command. This is actually pretty neat. Even though Microsoft does a great job at organizing the commands into groups, but depending on what your workflow is, you can add groups and add commands. Just it's a little extra personalization that you can do to the Excel ribbon. Now let's add a new tab to our Excel ribbon. So if we go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then we can click New Tab. And we can go ahead and rename the tab as well. We're going to name it Test Tab. Click OK. And as of right now, we don't have any groups. What I'm going to do is just pull this test group into the tab group. So I'm taking it off the Home tab and putting it into the Test tab. And within the test group, we still have our email command. So I'm going to click OK. Now on our Home tab, the email command, as you can see, has disappeared. But if you look right here, we have Test tab. And then if we click that, our group and email command is there. So you can have a whole tab that is full with groups and commands that are specific to your needs. Now if you want to reorder this test tab and maybe move it to the end, you want to go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and we can move the test tab all the way down here to the bottom because these are in order, and click OK. So now you can see that the test tab is at the very end. Now to remove the tabs and groups, all you need to do is go back to your File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and we can click on our group and we can say remove. We can also come back to our tab and click remove and just click OK. So now we don't have the test tab here anymore or the test group with the email command.